Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the little Fiesta zetec replica. In yesterday's video you see me do the rear quarter. We ended up cutting it out of a parts car that I got, cutting it out of this one and then welding it on this one. Well, I say welding, I've put a few welds on to hold it on. I've got to finish the welding today. That's the main aim for me. Well, I'm not even going to say what I'd like to get up to. It never goes to plan, does it? I want to see how far along we can get this little Fiesta today. That's what I want to do. We've got to weld all the spot welds in. I run a few welds just to hold it in place, check the door, check the glass, stuff like that, so we could cut it off if it was wrong, but it's all spot on. So I'm going to have a tidy up because this is absolutely filth. Sort all my tools out and stuff, and then I'm going to crack on, get this all welded in, and yeah, see how far along we can get. But I'm hoping to get this all welded, sorted out, dressed up. There's a few little dings and stuff in the quarter to attend to. Hopefully we'll be able to sort that out. I've got a few bits to do this afternoon, so I'm probably not here all day long. But yeah, let's see what we can do, shall we? See you in a bit. There we go. That's the main joins welded up now. Obviously you got to clean them up. This was a bitch where the cut was really wide. I found that really challenging to fill them in, but not gonna win no awards for my welding, but it's plenty good enough. I've still got to finish the underside, but I need to put it on axle stands to do that. I'm just going to get the backlight in, close the boot, check the fitment before I plug these welds on there. I'll start clamping and welding around the window, and yeah, we're making good progress. You know, I don't want to just weld them in, put the light in and it's out. I've got adjustment here, I can pull it in or out and make it the gap right. So we'll do that in a mo. But yeah, we're getting there. Obviously we'll grind all these back, make these look pretty, and hopefully it'll come out alright. I've just been plodding along, taking my time. Obviously the cut across there, a lot of you commented, said I should get an air saw, be a finer cut rather than using the grinder. I will do. I think it's something that is needed, but then saying that, I did say to myself, I don't want to do any more of these stupidly big jobs. Why can't I just paint a bumper cooler? So I end up going a bit crazy, but it is what it is. We've got to get it done. So yeah, I'm going to crack on. Let me get the backlight on and get this all sorted, and we'll see you in a bit.
Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? So that I counting days until the second go. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around. start at the beyond. It's all you need to do.
Right, I guess. I was starting to weld this and I was like, what the hell? And then I looked and checked and we've got no gas. So I'm off to get my gas bottle refilled or swap it over for another one. Yeah, and then we can carry on doing all these holes and filling them in. See in a bit. Well, that messed my plans up. One full gas bottle. I've got an account with MPD. My mate was in Oddiston, he's moved over to Saffron Walden. So he sorts my gas bottles out and stuff like that. So I rung up, they went, yeah, we got one. I was like, right, sod it, I'll fly up, I need one. I need to get this sort of done today. Drove all the way to Saffron Walden, get there, sorry, computer error, they haven't got one. My mate's not in, he's covering another branch in Haverhill, so rung him. he actually had one there, so I drove all the way to Haverhill, got the bottle, just got back. It's now 3 o'clock, it's still not welded on, I'm running out of day, and I had things to sort out which are probably not going to get done now. So I'm going to get this all set up, hook this all up to the welder. We've got to get this welded. I've got to get it done. I want to start the body work on it tomorrow. So yeah, unfortunately, things ain't going to plan as usual. That's what I said in the beginning of the video. So let's get cracking, let's get some work done. See you in a bit. There we go, guys, it's all welded in. Yeah, not very pretty. These where I was using the spot weld drill bit, it's like a hole cutter. It don't half leave you with a big hole. It's a nightmare to fill in, but obviously I've got to grind all this off and make it look right. But they're all plugged now. Some of them look real fine and some of them are a bit bulbous. But all of that's hidden anyway. That'll all clean up, I'm not fussed. It's a bit of a marathon. I've literally got underneath the seal here, I've got a little bit to weld and a couple of plugs under there, but I need to get it up, put it on axle stands to finish them. I'll finish them bits in the morning, but I've run out of time now. I knew this would happen. Whenever I want to get something done, it always goes tits up. But we got there in the end. Bit of well, it feels like it hasn't been a productive day because all I've managed to do is weld that today, but I feel like I should have got more done, but driving halfway around the country and back didn't help. But it's done now, so we're coming in the morning, we'll crack on with that bit underneath, and then I can get to prepping, which is the bit that I want to get done. So yeah, it's what it is. At least you guys got another video, and I hope that oh well, I know a million comments of everyone saying they're glad I changed the quarter. Remember, I'm no pro welder and I've never done a quarter before in my life. I only learnt to weld about 6 months ago. But it's not rocket science. You know, I've done it correctly, and I've done it how everyone else would do it. Obviously, just my welding's not as pretty as theirs, but it'll all lineage down and look all right. And the joys of it is you can use a bit of filler to cover up the bits that need to look pretty. So that's what we'll do. It's not a problem. We'll get it all painted, get it looking nice. At least we know this quarter ain't got 2 inches of filler in it. I'm still shocked by that now. It's unreal. But yeah, it is what it is. We'll crack on with it, don't worry. So yeah, that's it from me today. This has cooled down. I've stopped welding about an hour ago, so I'm happy. I'll leave that, and I know that I won't come back to a burnt down workshop. So as always, massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.